one girl, when I was doing blood pressure, she's like, I'm gonna throw up. I was like, why? She's like, it's too tight. I was like, I'm only at 10, sweetie. And she was like, I had like stop. It was just, kids can be a little extra, but I was like, let me wrap this up real quick.
Today at Arlington Elementary, we are doing our health screenings. We do them annually. District-wide, we do preschool, kinder, 2nd, 4th, 6th, and then we do them 8th and 9th. We do height, weight.
We take their blood pressure, calculate their BMI, and do testing for vision and hearing.
I am very excited to have as much help as I have this year. Last year I was at another elementary school in the area, and I was responsible for screening about 300 kids, and I had to set it up completely independent of any extra help. So I enlisted my PTA, who were a great help to me, but had no medical, most of them had no medical training or any background, and it made it a little more challenging because I had to really train people to do the job that we were going to be doing. So this year I am so excited to have all of the HOSA students here. It has been seamless. We are getting classes out in 15 minutes. We're getting them all screened. Everybody is looking fantastic. It is smooth.
I'm like a pirate.
We have a few kids that will come in, they'll just be completely terrified. They won't want to do it at all. So you really have to like talk them through it, calm them down, make sure they're okay with it before you actually do anything.
I'm doing hearing, which is actually really difficult for the younger kids because they're really scared of the headphones. So you have to think of ways to like make them not scared. Like for the kids, I'll let them put them on me and let them press the buttons, and it'll make them laugh and make them be more comfortable with it.
A lot of kids come to school and they've never been to an eye doctor. And we have kids who, they don't know that chalkboard isn't supposed to be blurry. They've never known life with clear vision. So they don't know to tell anybody that something's wrong because they don't know anything's wrong. So if their eyes have never bbeen screened or their ears have never been screened, then this is a great opportunity for them and for parents to find out, hey, maybe we do have a problem.
I've always wanted to be like an ER nurse or operating room nurse, but I don't know, like doing the health screenings at Donaldson really like made me think about pursuing a career with kids, like being a pediatrician or something like that. So I think it's a great opportunity to really explore what you want to do.
Honestly, I've wanted to always be a nurse, but today, in like the past health screens, I'm like, should I be a teacher? I never thought in my life I wanted to be a teacher, like ever, but like this past couple of days, I'm like, okay, I like this a lot. I like little babies, and so kindergarten and pre-K like has my whole entire heart. I was like, I can do this. I can be on this level.
It gives you the opportunity to see, is this something I really want to do, or maybe am I just in love with the thought of it? So when you really get in there and do it, or for some people, they may have just not been sure, and now they know for sure, I really love this. If they choose to go on a career in the healthcare field, they are going to be so adequately prepared. They will be leaps and bounds past their peers who have not had the same opportunity. And when you're in nursing school or paramedic school, this is a lot of what you will be doing, and they will be leaders in that field as opposed to learning. They'll already know what they're doing, and they will be able to facilitate and really mentor a lot of their peers.